Debt can be the best thing ever. Debt has a bad reputation. But what if I told you that not all debt is harmful? In fact, some debt can actually help you build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Today, we're breaking down how to use debt to your advantage, and when it actually makes sense. Most people think debt is something to avoid at all costs. But the wealthy know how to leverage debt to grow their assets and increase their net worth. If you understand how to use debt strategically, it can be a powerful tool for financial success. But there's one type of debt that can actually pay you back, but I'll explain what it is and how it works in this video. Do you know the difference between debt that helps you and debt that hurts you? Segment 1. Understanding good debt versus bad debt. Good debt. Good debt is any debt used to purchase assets that appreciate in value or generate income. Think real estate investments, business loans, or student loans that lead to high-paying careers. Bad debt. Bad debt is used to buy things that lose value or don't bring in income, like credit card debt for luxury items or high-interest payday loans. Ever wonder how real estate investors grow so fast? Segment 2. Leveraging debt in real estate. The secret truly is leverage. Mortgages as leverage. Using a mortgage allows you to control a large asset with a small down payment. For example, a $50,000 down payment on a $250,000 rental property can generate passive income and appreciate in value. Rental income. Tenants essentially pay off your mortgage while the property grows in value. Over time, you build equity without using your own money. How do entrepreneurs scale their businesses without massive savings? Segment 3. Using debt to grow a business. Business loans. Many successful businesses were built using loans for startup costs, equipment, or inventory. If the business grows faster than the loan interest, it's a smart move. Lines of credit. Business credit lines offer flexibility to manage cash flow and invest in growth opportunities. Used responsibly, they prevent cash shortages without diluting ownership. Did you know you can borrow money to invest in the stock market? Segment 4. Investing with margin loans. Margin loans. Brokerages allow you to borrow against your existing portfolio to buy more investments. This can amplify your returns, but it's risky if the market turns. Smart strategy. Only use margin loans with diversified long-term investments. For example, borrowing to invest in index funds can yield higher returns over time. How do you keep debt from becoming a burden? Segment 5. Managing debt responsibly. Debt to income ratio. Keep your total debt payments below 36% of your income. This ensures you have enough cash flow to handle emergencies and avoid financial strain. Emergency fund. Always have a safety net, 3 to 6 months of expenses, before taking on more debt. This protects you if unexpected costs arise. Fixed rate loans. Choose fixed rates over variable rates to lock in predictable payments and avoid surprises. What's the #1 strategy the wealthy use with debt? Segment 6. The rich use debt to build wealth. Tax advantages. Interest on certain debts, like mortgages or business loans, is often tax deductible. This reduces taxable income and frees up more money for investments. Asset protection. Wealthy individuals use debt to protect their liquid assets. They borrow against investments or properties instead of selling them, allowing those assets to continue growing. Infinite banking concept. This strategy involves using whole life insurance policies to borrow against your cash value tax-free, allowing continuous growth while accessing funds. Debt doesn't have to be your enemy. When used wisely, it can be a powerful tool to build wealth and financial security. Now that you know how to leverage debt to your advantage, you're one step closer to financial freedom. But there's one critical mistake that could sabotage your progress. I'll show you exactly how to create multiple income streams to accelerate your wealth building journey in my next video.